making another video. So, let's go sit. So, before we get into the video, I want to just shout out, I forgot her name, I think it was like Mango Angel or something, for her first comment on here. I'm sorry that I really can't reply. I can't reply like right now. Okay, so I already pre-made a cracker in this. So once you have a cracker, I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So yeah, I'm just going to start over right now. So first you're going to start with the cracker. Yes, so Mango Angel, I can't reply, Mango, but I'm so sorry, but I'll just like talk to you like in the video. So what you said. So once you have the cracker all in there, you want to make sure you have every spot hidden in to make it look like the cracker. So there we go. So here's the cracker. Let's see if we can get this video to 10 subscribers, and then I'll probably be making more videos often if we make it to 10 subscribers or more, or 5 subscribers or more, or whatever you can get to. So if you guys couldn't hear me, I said, let's see if we can get this video to 10 subscribers or 5 subscribers or more. That would really make me very happy. And it would probably make me like post videos more often. I don't know yet. But I'm just gonna put this in the mold right here. So here's the little front mold. Here's a little tip. You don't want to make your thing like you want to make your design too skinny. Because if you do, once you like put it together on the cracker, it'll just become skinny. I'll show you once I get done with both of them. So once you have that, just gonna squish it on there, not too hard. There, light it up. Don't really squish so hard, but it's like squish, like don't squish so hard. that you have squished the sides in, here's how it will look. It looks like I measured it out to make it look like the cracker on there. So, there we go. So now, we're gonna make hearts of this spoon. So now, we're gonna make hearts to put on these little circles on the four edges. Sorry guys, I had to pick something up. Yes, so I had to pick something up. But here's the finished part that we made. Let's just squish it a little more. So yeah. So here, the first part. Now you're just gonna like squish it on there. So here's how the first looks like. Once we get all of them, I'm sure it will look cute. If we get them all correctly. Sometimes we may have to start over, but yeah. So, make another little mold. Make sure you squish the back and the front. If you have one of these toys like this. Okay. Oops, I think I messed it up. 1 second. Okay. Now it looks better now. So here's the second one. Just like my lighting is too dark. So I just and if you can see it correctly. So there we go. Oops, and then we're just gonna put it on this corner of the cracker. So here's how it looks. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna squish this one a little bit more. Now we're just gonna put the mold in here. Okay. And you want to make these as quick as possible because you don't want your Play-Doh to dry up. And then you will have a lot of Play-Doh left. I like to turn mine to make it look. So our last part. once you have your mold already, you're gonna want to turn it different directions like this. One side is turning to the left and one side is turning to the right. I'm gonna fix this top part up. I'm gonna fix this top part real quick. Okay. Here's the finished part right there. Just gonna squish it. I'm just gonna squish it. Here's the finished part. I think it looks cute. So like I said in the beginning of the video, can we please get this video to 5 subscribers or more if you can. Okay, so yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Please like, share, please like and share, and please like and share.